This is the Cricut Maker 3, a super powerful crafting and cutting machine. I have made countless DIY craft projects with my Maker, from simple t-shirts to multi-layered signs. I make most of my gifts for Mother's Day, birthdays, and special occasions, all with my Maker, and you can too. The machine itself is easy to operate and works with Cricut's Design Space software, which is easy to learn and free to use. But if you want, you can subscribe to Cricut Access, which gives you access to ready-to-make projects, unlimited use of thousands of images, as well as 700 plus fonts, and there are discounts. But subscribing is completely optional and up to you. Again, the software itself is free to use. Take a look at some of the cool stuff I've made with my Cricut Maker 3. Can't wait to see yours.